Hello and welcome to the video on creation of video resource by using mobile screen recording. Learning outcomes for this video is after watching this video you will be able to make your own educational video by using your smartphone or mobile. You will be able to use Screencast-O-Matic mobile application very effectively. You know very well that Screencast-O-Matic is available for desktop or laptop version, as it is a free screencasting software. It is used to record your desktop screen, but this free version of Screencast-O-Matic for desktop version have one limit, that is we can able to record only for 15 minutes. It also requires active internet connection and there is no editing option is available in free version of Screencast-O-Matic desktop version recorder. But if you use a Screencast-O-Matic mobile application, it is used to record mobile screen, and by using this application there is no time limit for recording of your mobile screen. One of the most important features of this application is it does not require active internet connection. So while recording, you can able to disable your mobile data. In this application, there are certain editing options are available, such as trim, crop, face cam, speed, rotate, etc. Such options are available to edit your recorded video. So let's move to explore how to record educational video in your mobile by using Screencast-O-Matic mobile application. So creation of own video by using Screencast-O-Matic. So this here is a screenshot of the name of application. You have to search this application in your Play Store and download this mobile application from your Play Store by searching Screencast-O-Matic, and you will get a first search, that is free screen recorder Screencast-O-Matic. It looks like this. So just press on install. So after completion of installation, just open it and do the primary settings as follows. So it will ask to you for the controls, overlay controls and notification bar. So both settings should be enabled in order to control your recording very effectively. So just click on allow overlay controls. So here it is disabled. So make it enable so that while recording, while using this interface, you may use this application very effectively. So just enable it. Then it will ask you that Screencast-O-Matic required access for photos, medias and files from your device. So just allow it. Then to record the audio, this setting should be allow so that our voice can be added into your presentation. So here the launching of application successfully. So here is options are available, videos, recording button and settings. So just press the setting buttons. You will able to get the screen. So already the record microphone is enabled hide controls while recording is enabled, and there are some tutorials and tours are available. So you can explore these things by using this app. If you click on the getting started, you will get this. So here we can able to control this Screencast-O-Matic software by using two settings, either by notification panel as shown in this figure, or you may control your recording by using overlay control. So this notification panel and overlay control are used to start, pause and stop your recording. So this hide control while recording should be disabled, so that while you are doing recording, you should be able to see the controls. So you can stop, you can pause, you can restart the recording of video. It will avoid unnecessary display of your image. So it should be disabled. By clicking on that, it should be disabled. So now we have done all the settings. So our app looks like that. So just click on that app, then press on recording button as shown in this diagrammatic representation. So overlay control will appear like that. So this overlay control is used to start, pause and stop recording. You can change the position of overlay control by drag and drop method. So just open your presentation in mobile application such as Google Slides, and other free softwares are available to show the presentation. So after opening up your presentation, just click on this tab to present your presentation on mobile screen. So it will ask the two options, whether you should want to present on this device or present to a meeting. So just press on present on device because you want to display your presentation on your mobile screen to record it. So once it displayed, you have to make setting of your display, that is auto rotate should be on like this, so that you can able to full screen of your presentation like that. So here overlay controls appears. So you can drag and place the overlay control where you want. So just I have drag it at the center. On pressing to this overlay control, you get these three options: setting, home and recording. So just tab on recording button, it will ask you to start. So just tab on start now. So your recording will be start. It gives 3 seconds to you to start. Now recording is started, and then you have to start your narration by using audio. Either you can give a music or you can use your own words to record your screen along with your voice. If you click on this overlay control, it will show the two buttons. One button to pause the recording, and if you click on that, it will change to like that. Now if you click on this red color rail circle button, it will restart your recording, or if you click on this tab, it will stop your recording. So just click on it. So your video is recorded video is go into the Screencast-O-Matic application. It will ask save and delete. The options are available at the bottom. So if you press save, your recorded video will appear in this list. So if you click on this recorded video, you can able to see it. At the right top corner, the edit option is available. So just click on it to edit this video. So once you get this screen, you are able to see at the bottom there are 5 options: trim, crop, face cam, speed and rotate. By using this option, you can able to edit your video as per your requirement. So this option is available in mobile applications, but this editing option is not available in desktop version, that is free version. So here are some common errors during mobile screen recording. As you know, we have prepared the presentation in laptop or desktop. It having some animations, some transitions, but such animations and transitions are not seen, are not displayed in our mobile device. Sometimes some fonts, some images, some graphics, some text layout, some smart art will not be properly displayed in mobile. So in order to create a good presentation, in order to create a good video, you have to first check your presentation in your mobile whether all the settings are as per proper or not. You have to run the presentation in mobile first. See the presentation seen in laptop or desktop are similar in your mobile. Then go for the recording. If not, do the proper setting in such a way that all the content of slides should be properly aligned. So to avoid the mismatched text with graphics, you have to do a trial and error basis. For example, I have prepared this slide in laptop. In laptop it will show the proper place of all the objects, but if you try to see it in mobile, the objects are mismatched with the structure. So it will create a chaos. To avoid these situations, you have to make a proper setting. Here also everything is mismatched. If you do the proper setting again in laptop, it will create a good presentation with the clear orientations of all the objects in slides. So this is the one of the important instruction while recording the educational video in your mobile. Second thing, we have a number of apps with the notification on. So while recording, sometimes you may receive a call, you may receive a message, you may receive any type of notification, and it will comes on your screen. So it will also get recorded. So in order to avoid such a distraction while you are recording the educational video, you have to off all the notifications, and if you off the data connection, or another suggestion is you can put your mobile on aeroplane mode so that no call, no message and no notifications. It will give you a very good presentation without any errors. So this is how we can prepare an educational video by using mobile. This is very important to create a videos for our students. So use this app to create a video. So thank you very much for listening this video. For any query or suggestion and comments, kindly contact me at the email or mobile. Thank you very much.